Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Namine. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur passed away from this material world on 31st December 1936. So, almost 40 years passed. So there are two phases, prakat and aprakat, appearance and disappearance. So we have nothing to lament on account of disappearance, because Krishna and Krishna's devotees, not only devotees, even the non-devotees, nobody disappears. Nobody disappears, because every living entity, as Krishna is eternal, it is confirmed in the Vedic literature, Nitya Nityana, Chaitana Chaitanana. The description of the Supreme Lord is that He is also Nitya, eternal, and the living entities are also eternal. But He is the chief eternal. Nitya Nityanam Chaitana Chaitana. So qualitatively, there is no difference between Krishna and the living entities. And quantitatively, there is difference. What is the difference between Nitya, the singular number Nitya, and the plural number Nitya? The plural number Nitya is subordinate, eternal servants of the singular number Nitya. It's like if you want to serve somebody, so the master is also exactly like you. He has got 2 hands, 2 legs, all the same sentiments. He also eats. Everything is same there. But the difference is the master and the servant. That's all. Otherwise, equal in every respect. So spiritually, appearance and disappearance, there is no difference. It's like in material point of view, if a person takes birth, suppose you get a son born, you become very happy. The same son, when passes away, you become very unhappy. This is material. And spiritually, there is no such difference. Appearance or disappearance. So although this is the disappearance day of Om Vishnupas Srisrimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, so there is nothing to be lamented. Although we feel separation, that feeling is there, but spiritually there is no difference between appearance and disappearance. There is a song, Narottam Das Thakur's song, Je Anila Premodhana. Do you know anyone of you? Can you sing that song, anyone? Je Anila Premodhana, Karuna Prachur, Heno Prabhu Kotha Gala. I don't remember exactly the whole song. That is our lamentation. That Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur brought this message to distribute all over. Of course, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu expressed his desire that Prithivite Ache Jato Nagaradi Gram Sarvatra Prachar Hoibe Morna. He predicted that all over the world, as many towns and villages are there, everywhere my name will be known. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's name, which is now attempted now, is being actually. To execute this will of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he said personally, Bharat bhumite manusya janma hoila ja, janma sarthak kari karo paropa. He wanted that his name should be broadcast all over the world, in every town, every village. And who would do it? That he asked, that anyone who has taken birth in Bharatvarsha, India, it is his duty, first of all, make himself perfect by understanding the philosophy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then broadcast it, distribute it. This was the duty of every Indian. The Indian, especially in India, they have got the privilege to take advantage of the Vedic literature. In other countries, there is no such advantage. So, if anyone wants to make his life perfect, then he has to take advantage of the vast treasure house of Indian spiritual knowledge. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.